Click that subscribe button, boy. Please.
Long time.
Please click that subscribe button.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a minute. We've been busy, really busy. It's kind of ridiculous. But today we're notching out my lower portion of my air strut so I can give it a little bit more camber. What I mean by a little bit is a lot of it. So I'm probably gonna be running around 9 to 15 degrees. I'm not quite sure. So I got the car in here. I got it on jack stands. I'm pulling the lower portion out and then cut it. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun once it's done. Finally got all my wheels in. Probably next week I'll get the tires on. Still waiting on the parts for the rear. I got a upper control arm and toe arm that I gotta put on there to give me the right camber for the rear. I'll just jump right into it, show you what I'm doing, and we'll get it done. It's just, you know, these two bolt holes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna notch this out around like that. So this can pivot, giving me more camber without having to mess with bag clearance up top. With the offset I'm going with, the wheel and tire still will clear my bag, thank God. Those are my waterproofing. I don't want to leave the car out too long. Alright, this is it off of the car. Just to give you some insight on what I'm doing, I'm bolting it up to the outside of this, right? So it pivots. And I'm gonna go on the inside of this hole. I'm gonna mark exactly where it pivots at. I grinded the markings of where I need to cut. So that's as far in as it'll go on both sides. And that is the exact same pivoting points. So I'm just gonna kind of like cut that section out, see what happens. That's a pain in the ass. Pain in the ass. It's not beautiful. I'm literally using angle grinder, air tool, drill, this shitty thing, and a Dremel that's broken. This is the only bit I can use on it. Alright, so that's all the way negative. All the way positive. That's my range of camber. So to recap, pulled this bad boy off the bottom of the air strut. Fucking notch those out. Tucker's got the wheel, and we're gonna fit this side for the proper camber. Got those all tightened up. Got these bad boys. Oh, I can't see. Fuck. Got these bad boys all tightened up. Adjusted for toe. Right now it's aired out, and we are going to fit this wheel. It's good. Fuck yeah, dude. Fucking good, bro.
It's fucking bueno.
Fucking good, bro. Damn, boy.
Está bien. It's nice.
Hell yeah.
See, you kind of really can't.
You can see the before and after.
Yeah.
Well, what's cool is how I have it set now, I can just go on the top of the whole camera.
Perfect.
I don't have to go back down on the bottom.
Mess with the whole
Yep.
slotted.
Tomorrow, Tucker, what are we doing?
We're doing a Pandem build.
Just like this one.
We're gonna go from literally stock body to wide body within 12 hours.
12? You think 12?
I'm gonna go.
I
I'm
think
just giving
10.
us some like breaks in between 12, like doing a full like hour and a half lunch.
This one, well, ASC's, that took us 12 hours.
That took us 12
And
hours.
that was more panel.
Because
it was
you
way
had-
more
yeah.
difficult. It's gonna be a tight fit. I'm ready to just get there, man. Fuck this rain. I just hope that all these wheels with tires fit in here. But I'm on my way to Carolina Stand Shop so I can get tires mounted on my AGs. I'll show you the tires getting mounted and everything once we get there. Got tires on there, boy. Yeah, it's a squeeze, man. It's a squeeze, man.
Oh, I love new tires.
And
Oh. I love the smell of new tires.
yeah, that needs to be adjusted horribly.
Nah, it's fine. You're good.
Dude, this is sick. This fitment. Ah! That's not as much camber as I thought it was gonna be.
Now, I have a fucking meaty fitment. Yeah, I'll camber. I'll have a camber when I air out, but when I air up, it'll probably be like just like this.
Yes, you're on your side. Get in alignment. Yeah, you're good.
That's so sick. It literally clashes with my bronze stickers. is finally here. The day is finally here. I am so fucking stoked. Racer X fabrication. Racer X fabrication. Racer X fabrication. Actually surprisingly light. I'm not gonna have booty fitment. We are working on putting the upper control arms in, and it is the worst experience on the goddamn planet.
The worst.
I got it.
All we've done
We got progress.
we pulled out the toe rods, or toe arms on both sides.
Oh, shit. Josh, clear my browser history.
I don't want to look.
Once we get the control arm out, everything's dark up there so we can't see, but we'll be able to put the new shit in.
It's just a bunch of bolts and a bunch of pain.
And a bunch of metal.
And a bunch of metal. Oh, there it is.
What are you doing? I can't get that.
I'm trying to secure it. No. There you go.
Yep, I can't see shit.
Yep, it's okay. Yeah, you need to go in further, I think.
Move the adjustable real quick.
So fancy.
This is part of the instructions.
Part of the instructions.
It's actually part of it. So when I was reading through them, it says that you don't want to use the nut to seat the, whatever the fuck that is.
The shaft.
Yeah.
The shaft. That secures it. That's cool. Let me give you some.
Well, I'm trying to, I have to tuck it in the fucking car first. Not even joking.
That's fucking funny.
Let go.
Click that subscribe button, boy. Please.
Long time.
Please pick that subscribe button.
Toe it in.
In?
In.
Wow.
Not very much. We're almost there. Stop. You might be it, huh?
I'm not good at
I don't
this.
either. I don't know either, man.
It's annoying how perfectionist you've made me about fitment, though. Cause like, I remember when I threw my rears on, it's like, eh. Then I threw the spacers on, and I was like, yeah. And then I was just sitting out there today on break at work, and I was like, no, it needs more. I don't like it. What are your camera specs?
Somebody already asked me, and I don't even have my own wheel specs.
No,
now.
you showed me the message.
I don't even know what these are made of.
Probably metal.
No.
Oh. What if cows are made of metal, huh?
Damn. Big brain. Alright guys, we were here with an update.
Yeah, boy.
We are done. Ooh.
Break the news.
Breaking it. That was only probably like a good 2 hours of work, really.
Yeah.